Okay, hello. It's Thursday, June 14th, 9:46. I hope you can see that on the camera. Oh, it's so windy out here. So windy, the audio is gonna be terrible. Hopefully I can talk a little bit in between the wind. I wanted to show off my garden a little bit today, just do a little update video. Show how everything's going. Second week of June. It's been in the ground for like 2 or 3 weeks now. Everything's looking really healthy. Eggplant down here, doing some side branching. It's really purple on top. I don't know what's causing that super purple on top. It's just a variety or something. Marigold's doing good. Potatoes are doing amazing down here. All my potatoes are coming up so good. These are all my Adirondack purples here that I saved from last year. They're looking so healthy. I buried them once. I came in here with a hoe thing. Loosened up the ground, rigged the dirt up, got them buried a little bit. I don't know, I might bury them again. They should be good like that, because I got, there's a solid 6 to 10 inches there that they can produce potatoes in, so that should be pretty good. All my peppers are doing good. These are all my jalapenos I grew from seed this year, doing tons of branching on top. They're actually starting to produce already, which seems kind of wild because it's really early in the year for peppers to be producing, but I guess it's just because I started them so early inside. Got some little jalapenos on. This one's even a decent size one there. Little jalapeno peppers starting on all the tops. I love how they separate on the top. This thing will just bush out like crazy from here on out. So many tops coming off. Tomatoes, my San Marzanos, they're looking pretty good. Cruising along. Are they producing already too? Yeah, my tomatoes are already producing. Kind of small in the plant. I wish they would have waited until they got bigger, but these are my white and red potatoes that I bought from the store. Seed potatoes. More of my Adirondack purples. My Adirondack pinks are down there, or Adirondack reds they call them. All my potatoes are doing good. My main tomato patch over here. Oh, it's looking a little rough right now. I don't know what's going on with these Italians. They're doing this crazy curling thing. I don't know if it's lack of water. It has been super dry lately, or it might be even too much bone meal maybe. I put a lot of bone meal around these plants, and maybe they're just getting over nuded. Kind of stressed out from that because I've never seen this leaf curl thing. That's unusual. I can't imagine that they're dry because I got all this hay on, but the ground is actually pretty dry even underneath the hay. It just crumbles into dust. So yeah, I should probably hit these all with water today. This one's already producing tomatoes too. 2 nice tomatoes on there already. So tomatoes are all cruising along and they've been doing pretty good. They're all pretty well rooted in, so I don't have to water them much anymore. It's like once a week I'll hit them with a little bit of water just to keep them going. All the tomatoes are looking healthy and rooted in. Down here, my peppers doing pretty good. I mean, they were struggling the first week or so I put them in, but it looks like they're starting to send out some new growth now. Finally rooted in, got some deeper roots down. They took so much water at first. They were drooping every single day. I had to water these things every day for the first week. And now I water them like probably once every 3 days, once every 4 days. Hit them with some water. Same with the broccoli down here and this stuff. This stuff soaks up so much water. I'm watering this like every 3-4 days when I water the peppers there. But it's looking healthy. Should get nice broccoli this year off these. Stems on these things are so thick, which is a good sign. They're going to produce nice big heads on them. And this is broccoli we grow from seed. That's broccoli I bought. It's 2 different varieties. I don't know. I usually buy a set because I don't know what variety they grow and they sell them, but it's usually a better one. The ones we do from seed always are like the sprouting ones, which kind of suck, so I don't know. Cabbage is doing good too, all my white cabbage. This stuff's soaking up so much water, just like the broccoli. A little bit of pest damage, but nothing much. All doing good. That's all on cruise control. whole garden is pretty much on cruise control now. Don't have to touch it, don't have to water it, don't have to fertilize it. It's got all deep roots in. Going good. Cleaned up my asparagus up there. Horseradish is looking good too. Might as well go check that out. Cleaned this up the other day. Got it all bark mulched in, fully weeded. So our asparagus patch, we went a little light on the trimming this year. We could have kept cutting a lot of these things out. Usually we'll leave like 3 branches up to supply the roots with nutrients all summer, but this year we kind of went lazy on the cutting and got a little bit too much growth up top, but that's fine. That will just make bigger roots, send more tubers out. Horseradish is incredible too. These leaves are massive on this thing. Love this horseradish. It just grows by itself. Doesn't need any work, no water, no fertilizer, nothing. Just grows itself. It's a cool plant. Oh yeah, I forgot to show my onions up here too. I got onions up here. They're doing pretty good. They were all the bulbs I put in. And it all came out pretty good. Yeah, I don't think I even showed this garden hay in yet, but I got this whole garden hay in. The other day we got a good cut of hay off this side building over here. We cut all that, let that grow up, and put it all around the plants down here. And then we went up and picked, I think this garden took like 6 bales fertilizer hay. Last year's hay that's been rained on and stuff and got kind of moldy. Used that, $2 a bale. So it takes $12 to do this whole garden. And I did all the sides of the rows, the fertilizer hay, and I did the center of this row with the fertilizer hay, or mulch hay, I don't know what you call it. It's old hay that's been rained on, not good for feed anymore. Cheaper stuff. And yeah, that's my garden. Everything's going good. Just wanted to do a little quick update video on this one, because this is like my main vegetable garden, one I put a lot of work into. I'm gonna have to hill this row. This is one row I didn't hill yet because those were all the store-bought potatoes. Took longer to sprout than the pre-sprouted ones I had, but that's the garden. Now I'll go back and show you the pumpkin patch. See you when I'm over there, I guess.